Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 18th, 2025. I'm out here now. I spent half the day on the phone doing more drawings and just trying to contact various people. The public adjusters recommended contractors for doing the demo work, doing the emergency repairs, and doing the reconstruction of this building. They were set up for 9 a.m. this morning. And then I got an email from them, and well, last night I got an email from them saying, geez, they'd have to cancel. And so I wrote them back last night and said, geez, do you mean cancel or just postpone, reschedule an appointment? And I asked, if you are canceling, please let me know why you're canceling. And so the reason for canceling was this major contractor doesn't have the permits, can't get the permits for doing the building, doing the work here, and doesn't have the ability to make the drawings. I just did the drawings in the last 24 hours. I'll be submitting to those potentially to the truss engineers for designing the trusses for this. It just sounds fishy. That was the public adjuster that was kind of iffy back and forth with me. I have another public adjuster that I'm waiting for. He's going to be on the road this afternoon. I called him this morning. He was going into another Zoom meeting, and he said he'd call me this afternoon. So I'm going to be ready for that call when he does call, and so that I can take that. I just want to get people moving on this, and it's just very disappointing each step of the way. The one person that has pulled through well, a couple of people have pulled through. My brother Dave, fantastic. He came down, spent several hours with me working on the drawings yesterday, or making the plans for the drawings. And I did the drawings, took pictures of the drawings, sent them to him. He came back with some. He's a mechanical engineer, structural engineer. He's a public engineer, so he can do designs for different people and all. But the key thing that we need to get are the trusses, because I'm going to go with a central truss and two mono trusses on the sides as opposed to rafters. And I think it'll just hold everything together. So we went over how to make this super strong and all. So that's what we're going to be doing. So potentially tomorrow, I don't think I'll be able to go this afternoon because I'll be waiting for this call. So potentially tomorrow I'll get down to the pro desk and submit the drawings so that they can get sent out for an engineer to give us the truss designs that they come up with, and then we'll bring them over to my brother, and my brother will decide if they look good or we've got to submit more drawing or look for modified trusses, because we really want to have it super heavy duty here. And then a lot of phone calls, just like I contacted my neighbor, Dan, who has the bulldozer that cleaned out the road down here when we had the big snowfall. And he has his own heavy equipment contracting operations. Really nice guy, him and his boys. And so I contacted him for references if he had one for the limestone. So he gave me a contact for the limestone that I'm going to need for the driveways. And two, I need to find someone for shipping, for delivering the shipping containers that I bought and get them out back here so I can get all this stuff inside the shipping containers. It's still really wet. Still a fair amount of snow out here. It's soaking wet. The ground is really muddy. Just impractical to bring any shipping containers here right now. But maybe in a week's time, if we don't get much rain and we have weather like this, we're supposed to have one more cold day, then it's supposed to be pretty steady warm. So we'll see how that works out. And I called two other places for transporting shipping containers. Boy, they are kind of pricey. Everybody's pretty pricey. And a lot of them are far enough away, so I've got to pay from the time, like an hour drive to here, pick up and deliver 4 different shipping containers. That's why we want to make sure the roadway is solid. The place that we're going to put the shipping containers is solid, because we don't want anybody getting stuck, especially when I don't have my heavy equipment to be able to get people out and all, like the track loader. So that's an update on my morning. So I'm going to try and do some more work over here, pick up some more of the of the fractured screw cases, and so I'm trying to dry them all out, like right in here, and just get to the point where I can start pulling off more roof here and get more of this stuff packed up. So that's what I'm going to do now. Do some more work here, see what we can get accomplished. So I'm going to get started. Hopefully I get a call soon.
Wake up before the sun, boots on the ground. Got a long list waiting, no slowing down. Some days I dream of kicking back, but there's too much work, no time for that. Yeah, life's got a way of throwing curves. Plans get changed, gotta shift and swerve. But no matter what comes, no matter the test, I'll roll up my sleeves and give it my best. I don't care what the job is today. Could be planting trees or hauling hay, digging a pond, fixing what's broke, building something strong with my own two-hand stroke. The world keeps turning, no time to rest. As long as I'm breathing, I'll do my best. Some days feel like a mountain too steep, like the weight of the world won't let me sleep. Could let it all go, turn on the screen, but that's not me, no, that's not my scene. Yeah, life's got a way of throwing curves. Plans get changed, gotta shift and swerve. But no matter what comes, no matter the test, I'll roll up my sleeves and give it my best. I don't care what the job is today. Could be planting trees or hauling hay, digging a pond, fixing what's broke, building something strong with my own two-hand stroke. The world keeps turning, no time to rest. As long as I'm breathing, I'll do my best. Might not finish all I set out to do, but I'll leave my mark, I'll see it through. Ain't about winning, ain't about fame. It's about showing up and playing the game. I don't care what the job is today. Could be planting trees or hauling hay, digging a pond, fixing what's broke, building something strong with my own two-hand stroke. The world keeps turning, no time to rest. As long as I'm breathing, I'll do my best. Tomorrow's another more work ahead, but I'll sleep good knowing I gave what I had. So bring on the sunrise, put me to the test. I'll face every day doing my very best. I've been down, flat on the ground, broken and battered, no hope to be found. The weight of the world, it drags me low, but I've walked this road, and I already know. The storm may rage, the night feels long, but I hear a whisper, a steady song. God don't give us more than we can bear, and I know He's still right there. This too will pass, the pain won't stay. The sun's gonna rise, bring a brand new day. I'll pick myself up, I won't look back. With faith in my heart, I'll stay on track. I've seen the darkness, felt the despair, cried out to heaven, God, are you there? But every hard time, every lost fight has led me forward, brought me to light. The storm may rage, the night feels long, but I hear a whisper, a steady song. God don't give us more than we can bear, and I know He's still right there. This too will pass, the pain won't stay. The sun's gonna rise, bring a brand new day. I'll pick myself up, I won't look back. With faith in my heart, I'll stay on track. There's light at the end of the rainbow I see. A better tomorrow is waiting for me. But it won't come easy, it won't come free. It's all up to me, yeah, it's all up to me. This too will pass, the pain won't stay. The sun's gonna rise, bring a brand new day. I'll pick myself up, I won't look back. With faith in my heart, I'll stay on track. So I dust off my haze, stand up tall. I've been through the fire, but I won't fall. God gave me the strength, He gave me the test. Now I'll do my best, yeah, I'll do my best. When I was young, I was 10 feet tall. Took on the world, never feared the fall. Worked my hands raw, chased every dream. Knew if I gave it my all, I'd have anything. They say when you get old, it's time to slow down. Take it easy, just sit around. But that ain't my way, never has been. There's always more, I ain't giving in. Getting old, man, it ain't no fun. Still got that fire, but I can't outrun the aches, the pains, this body of mine. But the young man inside is still doing just fine. Grandkids got kids, time's moving fast. Life's a long road, but I can't turn back. Stairs feel higher, my back's gone stiff. I stand up straight, but it don't always stick. They say when you get old, it's time to slow down. Take it easy, just sit around. But that ain't my way, never has been. There's always more, I ain't giving in. I'm getting old, man, it ain't no fun. Still got that fire, but I can't outrun the aches, the pains, this body of mine. But the young man inside is still doing just fine. I still wake up ready to go, mind full of plans, dreams still grow. The mirror don't show what I feel inside. A heart that won't quit, a soul full of pride. Getting old, man, it ain't no fun. Still got that fight, I ain't close to done. Might move a little slower, but I won't stop. Still climbing that mountain, still reaching the top. So I'll push through the pain, keep walking tall. Been through too much to just let it fall. That young man inside, he ain't saying goodbye. He's just waiting for this old frame to catch up and try.